Dressing rules can take the stress out of putting an outfit together. Having some rules to follow makes putting outfits together just that tiny bit easier. And the 3 dressing rules that I'm going to be talking about today really did help me at the beginning of when I was first working on my personal style. But even now, years later, I'm still referring to these dressing rules every day when I'm putting on outfits. So I know these rules will help you guys to dress better as well, so I'm so excited to be sharing them with you today. Before we do get started with the rules, I'd like to put a disclaimer out that these rules are not set in stone rules, meaning that if you break these rules that I'm sharing, it doesn't mean you'll have a bad outfit. These rules are rules that you want to refer to in those moments when you're feeling like something's wrong with your outfit, or if you are struggling to find those last pieces to add to your outfit. These 3 rules can be really helpful in those instances. So if you look in the mirror one day and think, something is wrong with this outfit and I can't quite put my finger on it, you can return to these 3 rules to help you fix that outfit. Okay, so let's get started. Right, so we're gonna start off with the rule of thirds. I love this rule so much because not only is it gonna help you with your outfits, but it might actually help you with other artistic things in life, like taking photographs. So the rule of thirds basically means that the outfit should be broken up into thirds, and that usually an outfit that's broken up into thirds is more aesthetically pleasing to the eye. So this aesthetically pleasing ratio is a 1:2 ratio or a 2:1 ratio. This rule is commonly used in architecture and painting and photography. So like the Eiffel Tower is broken up into thirds. You've got 1/3 at the bottom and then 2/3 up the top. So for instance, if you take a photo of something and there is a horizon point right in the middle of the photograph, it's not as aesthetically pleasing if that horizon point is in the middle. You want to try and make that horizon point in your photography a little bit higher or a little bit lower, and that will break up the picture into thirds. So when it comes to outfits, we want to do the same with our outfits as well. So here's a few outfits on the screen now that show you the rule of thirds in action. So the rule of thirds is all about balance, and you can see that these outfits that do incorporate the rule of thirds do feel more balanced. So essentially balance is the thing that you are trying to achieve with this rule. So I talk about balance a lot in my videos, and it's something that I always think about when my outfit feels off. Is this unbalanced in some way? And there's so many different ways that you can balance your outfit, and it does often depend on your own body proportions as well as to how exactly you might balance an outfit. But just think about those horizon lines, those straight lines that are going across your body, and how your clothes are making up those lines and whether they can be moved around. So one simple thing is like tucking in a shirt, but there are of course so many different ways to create this thirds ratio. So I've also seen this rule broken a lot recently. Like I said, this isn't a strict rule, it's just a guideline. In recent trends, I've seen a lot of people wearing like big oversized t-shirts, hanging really long over oversized long trousers as well. Kind of that whole baggy look. And a lot of these outfits aren't broken up into that thirds ratio, and these people are still pulling them off. It looks cool, it's on trend right now. It's not particularly my style, but I appreciate this on a lot of other people. So remember that it's not something that you have to adhere to all the time, and you've got to always come back to your own personal style and your preferences as well. Right, let's jump to the next rule. The next dressing rule we're talking about is the 3 color rule. Once again, this is something that I've spoken about before, but let's talk about why it's so helpful and give some really good examples to be reminded about this dressing rule. It is one of those rules that really helped me developing my personal style, particularly when I was first trying to dress better and work on my personal style. And it's something that I always think back to when I'm having trouble with my outfits these days. So in case you're unaware of the 3 color rule, it is a rule that suggests the most harmonious outfit is one that has 3 colors in it. But with that being said, a color can come in so many different shades and tones. So for instance, you could have 2 varieties of pink in your outfit, 2 different shades or tones of pink in your outfit, and then also add in 2 different colors on top of that, and that still adheres to the 3 color rule. So for me, I wear a lot of blue, and often I mix lots of different shades and tones of blue in my outfit, and then add on 2 additional colors. So here are a couple of examples from Pinterest from Francesca Perks. The first is red, blue, and brown. And the second is red, white, and a goldy yellowy color. So once again, if you feel like your outfit is looking great and it has more than 3 colors in it, that is totally fine. And also don't ever be afraid to add that 4th color in, because 4 colors do still really work. 5 colors still really work in an outfit. It just anything above 3 is usually a little harder to make look cohesive, but it's not to say that it doesn't work. It might take you a little bit of time to work up to having 4 colors in your outfit and actually having it feel really cohesive. So start with 3, and then as you get more confident with your styling and putting outfits together, don't be afraid to add that 4th in and experiment and have fun and see what happens. So I'm thinking about making a dedicated video about all the different ways that you can match color in your outfit and like create cohesive outfits using different colors. So if that's a video that you would like to see, then leave a rainbow in the comments or something to let me know that that is something that you want to see going forward on my channel. Right, so before we talk about the very last rule, I am so excited to announce that my ebook is finally available. The Ultimate Guide to Dress Better. Improve your style, feel confident in your outfits, all while remaining authentic. The ebook dives so much deeper into dressing better and building your dream wardrobe. It's basically everything that I've learned after 10 years of working on fashion photo shoots, and then now almost 5 or 6 years being a fashion content creator online as well. All the rules that we're talking about in today's video are inside that ebook, as well as 55 plus pages of additional tips and resources and things to consider about dressing better and building your dream wardrobe. The ebook also comes with bonus material as well. So when you purchase the ebook, you will also get a 10-minute training video. You'll get a helpful checklist that is basically everything in the whole ebook that you can tick off along the way to make sure that you have implemented all of those things and considered all of those things for yourself and your style. And then the last bonus you will get is also 2 pages of journaling prompts, which will help you further understand your own personal style preferences. Anyway, the link is in the description. You can see the whole table of contents down the very bottom. If you scroll to the bottom, you can see everything that is inside the ebook, so you can make sure that it is appropriate for you where you are at with your style at the moment. So yeah, it's available to purchase in the link below. I'm so excited. Thank you everyone. And if you can't purchase it, I totally understand. The best way you can support me is just by liking my videos and subscribing and yeah, continuing to watch, because I just share free stuff here anyway on YouTube. So yeah, thanks. All right, let's talk about this last dressing rule, and it is the sandwich dressing rule. So this can be achieved in many different ways. So let's talk about how it can be achieved, and I'll show you a few examples soon. So to explain this rule, you want to picture a sandwich. You've got the bread, you've got the insides of the sandwich, and then you've got the bread again. Now picture an outfit that's made from 3 layers. So you've got a top, you've got trousers, and you've got shoes. So your bread in the sandwich, the outer layers are going to be the same color, and then the inside of the sandwich is going to be a different color. So this is my go-to rule when I'm in a rush and I'm putting an outfit together really fast. I just think sandwich dressing rule. I'm going for a black top, blue trousers, black shoes. Matching my top, matching my shoes. I'm going to sandwich those trousers in the middle. And for me, that's hopefully going to create a cohesive outfit when I put it together. And then another way that you can use this rule is, for instance, if you're wearing a dress, which isn't really 3 layers of clothing, it's just one thing, you can use the sandwich rule by matching your bag and your shoe color as well. So that kind of sandwiches in the dress. And what it does is, say if you have a black bag and black shoes, and a different color dress in the middle, it kind of makes sure that the black is evenly distributed throughout your outfit. You could even pair black sunnies, and that can make the black flow throughout the whole outfit again. So maybe your sunglasses and your shoes match color, or maybe your bag and your shoes match color. Once again, this rule is very much about balance, and it's about spreading those little colors throughout your outfit to create balance and cohesion. So guys, remember, rules were made to be broken, and these are just guidelines and not rules. Don't forget that my ebook is now available to purchase. That is linked in the top of the description below. You can go check out what is inside it by clicking the link. And the other best thing that you can do to support this channel is by liking and subscribing and watching some more videos that are up on the screen now. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.